Hi, I'm Central Florida Attorney Dione Talkington Fletcher, answering some of the most commonly asked legal questions. Diversion is a program that allows someone's criminal charges to be dismissed without ever having to go to trial. Every county has a program and they're a little bit different, but your attorney contacts the prosecutor who then makes a referral to that particular county's program. If accepted, you will meet with a community services or court services officer and sign a contract. This contract will require you to meet with your officer whenever requested, complete community service hours, pay restitution if that's appropriate to your case, and then complete a class. And the good news is most of those classes are now online. At the conclusion of all of these tasks within the allotted time period, the court services officer will notify the prosecutor and your case will be dismissed. At this point, you are eligible to seal or expunge your record, and that is a good thing. Now, eligibility is limited to people with very limited or zero criminal history and lower level nonviolent charges like misdemeanors and third-degree felonies. Because we are now living in the information age, things that would have gone unnoticed several years ago are now much more prominent in the public eye. So someone who's never had trouble suddenly can't get a mortgage, can't get a bank loan, is denied a promotion at work or denied housing or even employment because a background check is picking up things that really just weren't accessible before. Also, more schools are requiring background checks than ever before, even to volunteer on site. Parents are becoming embarrassed that they're not allowed to volunteer at their own child's school because of an indiscretion from perhaps 10 or 15 or 20 years ago. Expunging or sealing an arrest record makes whatever it was that happened invisible to just about everyone. There are a few limited exceptions, and a defense attorney can explain those to you, but it's certainly worth exploring. The first step is to ask yourself, is my case still pending? If it is, the answer is no. All of your cases need to be closed, and you should not have been adjudicated guilty of any prior crime or criminal traffic. Yes, even criminal traffic. So if your case number has a CT somewhere in the list, that stands for criminal traffic. Consult with a criminal defense attorney and go over all of your involvement with law enforcement, and that's every state, by the way. One quick check, and most of us will provide that at no cost to you. If you've never been adjudicated guilty of a crime, you are eligible to seal or expunge one case unless the multiple arrests are related. But here's the really good news. Due to a recent Florida law change, you are now eligible to seal more than one case at the FDLE level. Please consult with a criminal defense attorney to explain the differences and the various processes to you. Thanks to everyone who submitted questions. I appreciate your interest.